Guys, we got a new video today. Today, ladies and gentlemen, mostly gentlemen, we are going to be doing another Wondagurl type beat. Now, you all know I've done quite a few in the past, attempting to do the, you know, the whole freaking 808 slide shit. But I think today we got it. Today I'm feeling the feeling that makes you feel good. Okay? So, you know, we're gonna go ahead, check out some of these sounds in Atmosphere and try and add a nice 808 pattern to accompany that and make a Wondagurl type beat. So let's get started. All right, first things first, let me put my glasses on because I can't see a goddamn thing. You know what, I'm just gonna find a nice sound that I've used already. I don't really care. Yeah, I'm using gross beat. Bite me. Alright. We got a little something for the little, you know what I'm saying, first melody, you get me. So, here's what it's, here. Yeah, there you go, that is what I have. I'm probably, you know what, I am gonna probably add yeah, I do it before I even finish talking. All right, I'm already adding Atmosphere. You already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna add the the bell. You know the one. You know the one I'm talking about. The other one. Alright, yeah, we're just gonna keep the memoriam bell simple. I'm not doing anything crazy with it. It sounds fine. Look, less is more. You don't need crazy melodies. You just don't. You really don't. So we're just gonna continue. Now I'm gonna add a flute. Alright, cool. We got the thing. The melody sounds cool. Sounds like this. Yeah, sounds cool and all. Let's just get some hi-hats first. I'm just gonna add the 808 last just cause, you know. Oh yeah, so I figured it out. To offset the hi-hats, you gotta go to miscellaneous functions, and then you gotta go to shift, and then shift it so it doesn't sound boring, but don't shift it too much so it doesn't sound retarded. So yeah. Alright, cool. Let's get the snare. Alright, let's try this 808 slide now. Okay, you know what? I kinda like how this is starting off so far. slide. We're gonna slide. We're gonna slide. Relax. Wait, I'm pretty sure the slide note's supposed to be under, isn't it? Let's try this. Hold on. Let's make this a little longer. Alright, I'm gonna worry about this first half first and then. Alright, we're doing something, I think. I don't know what I'm fucking. Alright, this is gonna sound better with kicks, don't worry. Wait. Okay, no, that is not what we're gonna do. You know what? From what I'm hearing, it's kind of alright. I think I'm getting a little better. Alright, let's, you know what, let me just hear with everything. Alright, let's hear with the drums actually. Nah, let's not bring it all the way that low. Continue to surprise myself every day. That's nice. I must say, it's pretty nice. But you know what? I'm just gonna add the kicks and I'm gonna show you after. So hold up. All right, before this computer explodes or before I break it in half. I think the beat's done. It sounds pretty cool. I think I got better at 808 slides, you know what I'm saying? Practice makes perfect, you know what I mean? But we're just gonna lay this out because I got something really interesting for this, so it should be fun. So we're gonna go ahead and lay it out and get y'all on your merry way. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, well, there you have it. There is the beat. It's all done, ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you like my improvements to my 808 slides. They're still a little bit more conservative. On the conservative side, they don't go too crazy, but you know what I'm saying? I'm still trying to make the beat actually sound good, so bear with me. But, if you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch at unorthodoxgaming97. Links in the description, and also on Instagram at unorthodoxbeats with a Z. And links also in the description. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, all that stuff. Stay lit, and peace.
Unorthodox.